A dangerous and widespread severe weather outbreak is expected later today and tonight. There is a moderate risk of severe storms across portions of the central and southern plains today and tonight. The primary threats include destructive winds, very large hail, tornadoes, and flash flooding. Several strong, long-track tornadoes are possible. Here is a look at the latest computer model forecast. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts. Thanks for watching.